I need you, I just close my eyes and I'm with you. And all that I wanted to give you, it's only a heartbeat away. When I need love, I hold out my hand and I touch love. I never knew there was so much love keeping me warm and day. Miles and miles of empty space in between us. A telephone can take the place of your smile, but you know I won't be travelling forever. But hold out and do like I do. When I need you, I just close my eyes and I'm with you. And all that I want so to give you, babe, is only a heartbeat away. It's not easy when the road is your driver. Honey, there's a heavy load that we bear. So you know I won't be travelling this lifetime. It's cold out, but hold on and do like I do. Oh, I need you. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with hopefully another golden oldie for you to learn. Classic song from around about 1977, I believe, and a lovely song called When I Need You. And this is the version as done by Leo Sayer. Okay. Now then, just a quick note. This was actually written by Albert Hammond, I believe, of It Never Rains in Southern California fame and various other songs. And the words were done by Carol Bear Sager, I believe. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the first fret. This enables us to play it fairly simply in the same key as the original song recorded version by Leo Sayer, which was done in C sharp. Okay, in later years, and I've noticed when he plays live in later years, he was doing it in the key of B. But this one is the original version in C sharp. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall be back in a couple of days with the breakdown for you. This was obviously a slightly shortened version, but it's got everything you need to play the whole song. There's just more verses and choruses to add. Okay, thanks very much for watching. See you soon, hopefully. Bye for now.